Good morning, everyone. Life in Motion Vlogs is back with today's adventure, and I can understand that I'm coming back after a short break. As you can see, I have not posted a couple of videos last week. There were a couple of reasons behind that. As I always keep telling everyone in my video, don't forget to subscribe and share as much as possible, and please like my video. And as I always say, get ready, fasten your seatbelts, and let's explore this lush green world of rainforest through my voice. Now, before I start our journey, I want to briefly touch upon an importance of taking breaks, during this creative process. As a vlogger, we are constantly brainstorming, problem solving, and working on multiple tasks at once. This can at times mentally drain, and it's always important to give ourselves or our brains a break, so that we can come back with a fresh perspective and a renewed energy. And yes, and as I just mentioned earlier, the reason why I was not able to shoot a new place last week was, I did go to a new place and it was one of the best spots, but unfortunately what happened was there was a glitch in my videos, and due to that reason I cannot edit those and I could not post it. So these are some of the cons of becoming a vlogger. You need to be constantly checking on each applications, each softwares, each videos, so that can constantly provide a strain on us. So we need to take a break, and as you know, it's the end of January. So in Victoria or in Australia, usually it's the school holidays, so they're coming to an end. So end of January is the last week for the end of school holidays. So we need to spend some time with the family, for your kids to start their new year in school. So let's head out to this new place called Rainforest Gallery. It's a road full of turns. As you can see, we are driving through a rainforest. I can't see any crowd out here. Not sure whether we have reached at the right time, and it's a peak afternoon. So hopefully we are waiting to see some crowd at the Rainforest Gallery. We are almost 3 minutes far from this place. Yeah, and once we reach there, let's dive into the insides of this Rainforest Gallery. It's a good place to drive. And on the way, we did see few markets, like street markets. That's where also we are planning to explore. And there's a lot of restaurants on the way. So it is one of the tourist spots where all the families comes out for a drive, for a lunch or for a brunch. So after this Rainforest Gallery, we are planning to go and explore this markets. The main reason why I chose this spot today, it's a pretty unique trail walk. If I show you, you can see it's a steel frame, and it's a long walk, and that is something which is unique. And I'm going to show you more about this. As you can see, we are walking on top of a rainforest kind of an setup. It's not a setup, it's actually a real rainforest. So as you can see how deep it is. So that's the specialty of this Rainforest Gallery. And I think we are almost 15 meters above the ground, 15 meters. And it's written here as well. Let me show you. So yeah, so just walking more to go to this place. I was able to meet a couple of vloggers and some great photographers. So they were giving me more insights about the type of cameras that can be used to shoot proper landscape pictures. And it's great to see all these vloggers and photographers, so you get to learn a lot from them. So yeah, another information which I was able to get it, and it's always good, if you learn, you earn. You get to learn many things from people who are in this profession. It's a long walk. I'll be giving you a detailed description about this, or I've already provided a detailed description of this place. It's approximately around 1500 steps, so which is also good for your cardio fitness, walking. And yeah, so we are at a place called Warburton. So it's a small town in Victoria. It's approximately around 76 kilometers from Melbourne, which is approximately around 1 hour.
How long have you been in Australia?
Around 1 hour 25 minutes drive. So right now we're heading out to have lunch. So you can see how beautiful is this small town called Warburton. You can get to see a lot of arts and some customized things. It's a place called Blue Scooter. I was amazed by their collections. So yeah, just exploring to see if there's anything that I can buy. I mean, if you're more interested in arts and crafts, some things which you can use it to decorate your house. Looks like a good place. Yeah, so lucky the restaurant was open. They have another branch of this restaurant in a place called Belgrave. So they serve authentic Kerala cuisines. Since I've got a long drive, I've just decided to keep my lunch to a limit. So I've ordered the authentic Kerala biryani, and I love the Kerala fish cuisine as well, like a fish fry. So yeah, so they have got a lot of authentic Kerala cuisine. So people who are from Kerala would love to see that menu and order the food. And I think the restaurant looks like it's full of Indians. So it's a good spot. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my lunch to arrive. Here she comes. Oh, unfortunately we are running out of biryani. So I need to order something else. So I'm going with another option. Let's see, probably I'll go for something in fish. Okay, I'm just going to try my luck. Let's see how I'm going to order. Is it? One meat thali. One meat thali. Yeah.
Which meat?
Can I have chicken chettinad?
Chicken chettinad?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the vegetarian dishes are randomly chosen by the chef, right?
Yeah, it's just those. So it's chickpea dal, avial, green dal, and
That's fine. Yeah.
and one would be the.
While you're choosing your fish curry, especially you're from a South Indian origin, you need to be particular about certain fishes because the curry can taste good with certain types of fishes, and the fry can be also good in certain types of fishes. So she's gone inside to check what type of fish is available, and based on that we'll choose either it should be a curry or a fry. You can see
I like how my little staff.
Oh yeah.
She's like really nervous about the camera. And I'm like, mate, you're on TikTok all the time. I think you're fine.
No, this is a YouTube. I mean, I'm just a casual blogger, yeah.
No, it's just funny. She was like, I had to say to her, Skylar, she likes to film herself on TikTok. I'm like, honestly, there's nothing to be.
And I assume you're the owner of... Okay, because we heard a lot about you.
Yeah.
Because we normally visit the restaurant at
I
Belgrade.
go to my Belgrade restaurant.
Yeah.
Sure.
So...
My hubby, actually, he's not there today. He's mostly at Belgrade. He's not there because it was his birthday and he had a very big night, so he's asleep. But he's normally at Belgrade, and
because I'm from the southern part of India,
Yeah.
although I was born and raised in Dubai. So
Where are you from?
from Kerala.
Where are you from?
From
I lived in Kerala. Where are you from?
Kollam.
You're not from the Skylar, is it? Kollam, okay.
Yeah. So,
nice.
but I've not stayed there for long.
Yeah.
I stayed outside. So many of my friends told me you need to visit Babaji. It's a fusion. I said, what do you mean by fusion?
It's not fusion.
the husband and wife is a fusion. I was like,
The
okay.
service is fusion, but food is
Authentic, yeah.
Because we're in,
We usually go to the Belgrade one.
and even Belgrade, it's also fusion. But we have more Indian stuff there. It's Belgrade. It's closer to areas.
That's
Whereas
right.
Warburton, there's no Indians up here.
Okay.
Benicia lives. She's she knows I'm talking about it.
Okay.
She's Nepalese. She lives here. That's unusual.
Oh yeah.
That's unusual. I was like,
Most
and even when
Indians
she
don't
came
live
to me
there.
for a job, I was like, yep. Because I want that combination. I don't,
And I think you get a lot of crowd as well, when they're traveling to Warburton because it's a tourist spot. So I think most Indians come
and people
over.
are beginning to know about us.
Oh
so,
yes. While I was driving, I was surprised. Oh wow, Babaji. I said, let me visit one on the spot and come back here.
Yeah. Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
And what's your YouTube channel?
It's Life in Motion Vlogs. Life in Motion Vlogs. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look for it. Have you got social media as well?
No, not yet. Just started. So
right.
getting into the hook of it.
You can't. Can you tag me on YouTube, or will I know? I don't really understand YouTube.
I can.
Please do when you put
So
something
we
up
can
there.
just we can tag Babaji as well.
Yeah.
If we can,
I do have a YouTube channel. I don't use it, but I do have one.
Okay, great.
Maybe while when we finish, we can just.
Do you have one too? Flooding in my family, is it? What's on your YouTube?
It's an anime kind of.
Yeah, that's cool.
So you've seen the owner of this restaurant. I mean, her name is Billy. She's very, very friendly and very open, and she's given good feedback and some true facts of life. And I was very surprised and very amazed what she just advised my daughter. You know, there can be many haters in the world, but you know, it's a part of life, but doesn't mean that you need to stop, fight with that, and you know, handle them with a smile. Good lesson to be learned. Very nice. So I mean, yeah, I was waiting to meet her, so finally I met her. Very friendly person. She's got that vibrancy in her, which is really great. So yeah, so my thali is here. So thali is a kind of dish where you have several dishes along with the rice, or you can choose a roti, which is like a bread kind of thing. So I've chosen a non-vegetarian thali. I'm going to dive deep into this right now. So there's like a lot of authentic Kerala cuisines. Like this is the chicken curry, this is the beans curry, there's a beetroot curry, this is buttermilk. Yeah. So hungry, getting into it. I'm gonna start with vegetarian. So authentic. Wow. Now let me try the non-vegetarian, which is the chicken. It's a bit spicy for me, but it's okay. You know, spicy is good for rice. That's normally how South Indians have their rice. Yeah? So yeah, so let me enjoy this lunch. So this is the honor of Babaji, Billy. So Billy, you can go ahead and talk about this.
G'day everybody, I'm Billy. I'm half an owner of Babaji's. My husband, Max, he's from Vakla in Kerala. He's
Yes.
the other half.
Yes.
He's at our other restaurant in Belgrave today. So we opened Babaji's Warburton because it really feels like Kerala up here. It feels a little bit like you're up at Munnar.
That's
in
correct,
the mountains and in the river.
Yes.
Yeah, and we serve lots of everybody's Kerala favourites, from beef fry to fish fry to sadhya.
Yes.
Every day we
I
have
mean,
these
even
dishes, beef fry. You have that.
Yeah, even when I tasted your avial, that's really authentic one.
And every single vegetable that is in that avial is cut by hand.
Oh, okay.
So you
And-
know,
and the chefs are from-
it makes a big difference that we don't use frozen vegetables. Everything is cut by hand. It's cut by love.
And the
yeah, it
chefs
makes
are
a big
from
difference.
Kerala,
Yeah, our
huh?
chefs are from Kerala.
Okay, great.
Yeah, so we've
great.
got quite a few chefs, and most of them are from Kerala.
That's
And they're
great.
just cooking what they know from home.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Always.
Thank you so
It was
much.
so nice to have you, and everybody's welcome. Yeah.
And food was amazing.
Thank you.
Food was amazing. Authentic, very authentic.
Pleasure to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank
you,
you.
mate.
Take. So yeah, amazing, authentic South Indian food, and as I said, it's called Babaji's. It's on the way to Warburton. Do come in if you really want to experience the South Indian cuisines. Very authentic, and yeah, it's an amazing. The owner is good. The staff is good. The food, 5-star. Great food. See you later. So yeah, it's the end of today's journey and today's adventure. Once again, as a gratitude, thank you everyone for being a part of this journey on this channel. Your support means the world to me. This is something which I need to always tell, and it's a part of my gratitude, and again I keep repeating. And I am excited to continue this wonderful journey with all of you. Until my next adventure, I would like to remind all of you, take care, stay safe. Once again, Life in Motion Vlogs will be back soon with more and more informative videos. Take care. Bye.